Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we learn how to install Kali Linux on Windows 10 operating system. So there are different ways through which we can use the Kali Linux operating system. We may use with the help of bootable pen drive, and in that we may install Kali Linux on the pen drive, and then we can through the live booting. Or else the second option is that we may have .iso file or the .ovf file, so that can be hosted on the virtual machine, and with the help of the virtual machine we can run our Kali Linux on the Windows machine. When we talk about Windows 10 which comes with an built-in option, built-in application which is a Kali Linux. In order to use that, just go to the Microsoft Store in the Windows 10 operating system and search for Kali Linux. Here in Windows 10 you no need to use separate OS. So this Kali Linux which available in the form of application .exe file, you can just click on it. In my PC I've already installed it, and if you're first time you're trying to use it, and you will get it in the free of cost, and here you will get the install option, right? After installation, and you need to suppose press launch. So a window will be open like this, or else you can directly search from the search box Kali. After installation I'll get the icon which is app, which is running on my Windows 10 machine. Just click on this app, so directly it will start it. When we are installing, that time it will ask the username and password, and very similar how we are creating the users and the different users, right? And we need to enter the username and password. Right now here I can carry out the list of options. ls no I can no These are the files which are working for the practical experience, practical explanations. Nano and test.txt. Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Press Ctrl X and press Y to save, and just press enter. This the file will be saved on the specific directory and specific file name, right? ls. You might have got a test.txt. If I want to open that file, cat tst.txt is a command. That, see, this is what the message which I have written, right? By the way, so you can do a lot of whatever the operation which you are performing in the Kali Linux operating system, all operation can be performed here. But the only thing is that, so here this will use only the command mode. Here you will not get any GUI mode, a graphical user interface mode. Suppose if we wanted to get that also, again there are some other features that here you can enable the function a remote desktop. So this application already, which is defaultly which present in our the Windows 10 operating system, you can click on it. So here I need to enter the IP address whenever it's asking, right, in the computer. I need to give my public IP that can be searched from your command prompt. Then by typing ipconfig, you will get the public IP address. This is 192.168.0.105. That is my public IP. IPv4, and so that can be written here 192.168.0.5, right? Then try to connect it. It is trying to connect, but it is failed because before that I need to make some changes. So in my no in the Kali Linux terminal, I need to start the remote desktop server. Registry has to be start. So this is a command sudo space slash etc init.d and xrdp, I mean x remote desktop. I need to start the service, and I've started it, and it is asking the password. You need to enter the password which you gave during the installation of your Kali Linux app. Okay, it's already running, so I have already started running it. Now I can start with the remote desktop connection. So this is what my IP address. Okay, I'll connect it. It might be waiting for my password. I need to enter the password to make sure that then only it will make a successful connection. I've entered the right password, the password which I have entered during the Kali installation. It takes some time to bring the desktop of your remote desktop of Kali Linux operating system. Yes, now we got the desktop of the Kali Linux operating system. Here you can do the similar options what we performed with that. The normal Kali Linux operating system are using the terminal. You can click on the terminal. So this is the method how we can install the Kali Linux on Windows 10 operating system without having any the separate operating system or ISO file or virtual box. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you. In case if you have any queries, and ping me.